This is a topic called machine instruction programs. Just we are going to see in the introduction today some of the basic things you have to know. That is studying BTech, BTech or second year, third year, or CSC, IT, EC, or whether you want to prepare seriously for GATE or any competitive and government exams or based on computer science oriented jobs. Definitely these topics will be helpful for you. Let's go for the session today. Here today's session definitely you have an idea to learn about machine instructions and program, where you have a small topic called numbers, arithmetic operation and characters, and you have now the basic things: what is binary number and what is binary digit, and sign and magnitude representations. Some idea, just idea. Let's go over here. Machine instruction and program. Generally, what will happen whenever communicate with computers? What the task you are doing? It will be in the machine instructions and carry out the task. At last, we are going to see the output in the computer screen. So generally, numbers and arithmetic operation characters, what we have to now means. Generally, the computers are built using logic circuits. All of you know that operator information represented by two valued electric circuits. We label the two values are called as 0 and 1s. All the entire computers follow the concept of 0 and 1s only. At last, go for binary number concept. And we define the amount of information represented by such a signal as a bit of information, where bit stands for binary digits. So I am repeating what is binary digit means. This only we define the amount of information represented by such a signal as a bit of information, where bit stands for binary digit. The most natural way to represent a number in a computer system is by a string of bits called a binary number. So what is binary number? You may study or going to study about deeply about the digital electronics or digital logic design also. Here now the exact meaning of binary number. Binary number is nothing but to represent number in a computer system is by a string of bits. So string of bits called as binary number. And also a text character can be represented by a string of bits called a character code. So here number representation. All the computers have followed some of the electronics formula that is called as, let's go here. Consider an n-bit vector b is equal to bn minus 1 and so on, followed by b1, b0 bits like that, where b is equal to 0 or 1 for the condition of 0 less than I and also less than equal to n minus 1 less than, okay. This vector can represent unsigned integer values v in the range 0 to 2n minus 1, where v of b is equal to b assumption only bn minus 1 into 2n minus 1 plus b1 into 21 plus b0 into 20. There are three systems used for representing such numbers called sign and magnitude, 1's complement and 2's complement. So why you give these estimates? Because the computer have capability to store millions and millions of information. As much information give, it never say no storage space like that. It will take and consider, perform the operation, at last give the result for you. And sign and magnitude representation, there will be a clock diagram given where you have a positive number. You know, if a number is there positive, or if no symbol also can say positive, there will be 0 to 1 equal 7 number. So 0 represented by 0 0 0 0 1. Binary number, you know all of you. Plus 1 represented by 0 0 1 and plus 2 represented by 0 0 1 0. Now the question is how to find the magnitude number, that is 2's. That means whenever negative number, and also by default result given here minus 6 represented by 1110 like that. So for example, I have a number called plus 40100. I want to find the negative number of 4 minus 4 means we can just do it. Just to find the 1's complement, convert to 1's complement, add 1. At last we will get 2's complement, that is the equivalent binary number of minus 4. So here high order bit is sign, where 0 is equal to positive or 0, 1 is equal to negative, and 3 low order bit is the magnitude 0 through 711. So remember, when you want to magnitude number, sign number, that is minus 7 or minus 8, just to convert the, for example, minus 7 means what you do, just convert the 7's, what the 7 value, that is 0, 111, convert to 1's complement and add 1, at last we will get the minus 7's equivalent binary number. So like that to do. So upcoming already you can go and check the playlist. Kindly forgive me late of representing these topics. So already I explained in the projector classes addition, subtraction numbers, and also continue addition and n-bit number, addition, subtraction numbers with the help of n-bit replica adder and so on. Definitely these topics helpful for understand the GATE and many competitive exams. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and press bell icon for more updates and stay connected with the social media. Thank you.